If you open my Trust Wallet now, you see that I've made over $400 from Crypto Airdrop. Many of you want to do Crypto Airdrop, but you don't know how to do it. In this video, I want to show you how to do Crypto Airdrop and the best website where you can claim legit Crypto Airdrop that can pay you in the nearest future. So if you don't want to miss this, make sure you watch this video to the very end, so as I will guide you. You watch me step by step as I show you how and the best site to claim legit free crypto airdrop. So in case if you don't know what crypto airdrop is all about, I made a previous video where I explained to you the meaning of airdrop and other things you need to know about crypto airdrops. And if you want to watch this, you can click on this video showing by the right now to know more about crypto airdrop. In this video, I want to show you the best website where you can claim free crypto airdrop that can pay you huge in the nearest future. So without wasting much of your time now, let's dive into my screen and let me show you the best site where you can claim this crypto airdrop and the step-by-step guide you need to do this without stress. So now to start crypto airdrop now, what you need to do is just to go straight to your Chrome or your browser. There are three best sites where you can claim free crypto airdrop. The first one you need to know now is airdropking.io. Just type for airdropking.io. You can see it over here. Just click on it. Now that it is open now, you can see that there are many airdrops in this place. If you look at this place now, you can see that you can see new airdrops. You can see all these airdrops are new airdrops. I've participated in this, and many other airdrops. So when you come to this place now, you can see new airdrops. If you want new airdrops, you can be on these new airdrops. All the airdrops here are new airdrops which you can participate. So if you want the best airdrop, you can see best airdrop over here. If you want the ending soon, you can click on these ones. If you want the best airdrop, you can click on the best airdrop. So you can see all these airdrops now are the ones under best airdrop. So in this site now, the active airdrops are 8 there are 8 active airdrops here, and expired airdrop are about 2,329 expired airdrops, and most of the airdrops we see in this site are all legit airdrop. So in case if you want to participate in any of these airdrops now, you can just click on it. Let's say you want to participate on this, we click on it. So when it takes you to this page now, you see that they will give you step-by-step guide on how you can participate or how you can join this airdrop. So you can see the name of this airdrop here and the logo, and 18 people has like this airdrop and nobody has disliked this airdrop. So these are instructions required to use. So you need to have Twitter and Telegram. So if you want to join this airdrop now, these are the step-by-step guides to join this airdrop. The first thing you need to do is to start chat with Honest Airdrop bot. So pass the captcha and follow Onyx on Twitter and tweet pinned tweet. Join Onyx on Telegram, follow Onyx on LinkedIn and Facebook. This is optional. So the next thing you need to do is to submit your ERC20 wallet address to the bot. And the 7th one is you will receive 300 Onyx tokens for mandatory tax and 10 Onyx tokens for optional tax. So also earn extra 5 Onyx tokens for each referral. So you see that no money is required here. You don't need to trade. This is very simple. You just do this simple tax and submit your ERC20 wallet. So when they are to distribute these tokens, you see that you receive 30 Onyx tokens. So these 30 tokens will be deposited in your wallet. If you use your Trust Wallet to do this airdrop, the tokens will be deposited in your Trust Wallet, and if you use your MetaMask, the tokens will also be deposited in your MetaMask. So to do airdrop, you need to have Trust Wallet and MetaMask. So now this is very simple. These are simple tasks which you have to do. So in case you want to do this now, just click on join airdrop now. So it's going to take you to Telegram. So you start the chat with the bot. So you can see start, and you see first, are you really human? You see prove it by clicking the correct button, which is rainbow chance. You have 3 chances, so you can see the correct button here. You can click on it. Now thank you for proving you are human. You see there are, okay, I am friendly airdrop bot. So read this now. You said I am your friend. Get free airdrop tokens for few simple tasks via our airdrop program. Now get an extra 5 tokens by using your referral link to invite your friends. So this is my referral link. So click on the button below to set each of them. So join us on Telegram mandatory. So follow us on, so you can click on this one now to follow them. So follow us on Twitter, retweet the pinned tweet, type your Twitter profile link. You must remain subscribed until 2 weeks after the listing. If you want to comment on our social media posts, comments need to be smart, not only good project. I recommend etc. We need interesting and genuine comments. So all you need to do now is to click on back. So since you have done this one now, you go back to the airdrop page and do the, so you have done this now. We have passed the first stage and the second stage. So the next one we need to do now is to do the third one, which is to follow them on Twitter and retweet the pinned tweet. So this is your Twitter. You can just click on follow. You have followed them. So now the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and look for the pinned post and then retweet it. If you look at this place now, you see that this is a pinned post. So all you need to do now is to retweet the pinned post. So when you click on this place now, to tell you to repost, then you are going to repost the pinned post, right? We have retweet this pinned post now. All you need to do now is to go back. So we have done this one now, and we have also done the retweet. This is a post. You can see this place. We have retweet this pinned post. So since we are done with that now, the next one we are going to do now is to join them on Telegram. You click on the Telegram side, it's going to take you to, so it will take you to their Telegram channel. So you can just click on down here now to join their Telegram channel. So once you are done now, you go back to their page. So follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook. This is optional, so you can follow them on LinkedIn. Once you click it, it will take you to LinkedIn. So just click on follow. You are following, then you go back to the airdrop page. So the next one is to follow them on Facebook. Once you click on the Facebook, it will take you to Facebook, and you are going to follow them on Facebook. You look at their Facebook handle, their Facebook page. So you can just click on like it here. Once you like it, you go back, and then the next one is to submit your ERC20 wallet address to the bot, and you receive 30 OUX tokens for mandatory tax and 10 OUX tokens for optional tax. Also earn extra 5 OUX tax for each referral. So once we are done now, what we are going to do now is to go and submit our ERC20 wallet address to the bot. So click on this place now to submit our ERC20 wallet address to the bot. So it will take us to this place, which are going to submit the address. So we're going to follow them on LinkedIn now. Remember, we have followed them before. Just click on this link and it will take us to LinkedIn. So we're going to copy the profile LinkedIn. Click on this place. When you click on this place now, copy your LinkedIn profile link. We're going to paste it here. So when you come here now, paste your LinkedIn profile link, the one we just copied, you paste it here. So guys, if you can see now, you can see that we have completed the task, which is to join them on Telegram and follow them on Facebook, follow them on LinkedIn, follow them on X and Facebook. So we have completed this task now. You can see that it's already ticked good. So the steps to follow them is just when you click on this, you see a message. Just like if you scroll up now, you see how I did the task. So all you need to do is just to, if you click on this now, you see a pop-up message like this. You follow them and put your Twitter handle. Just copy your Twitter link, the link to your Twitter profile, and paste it here. That one is completed. So when you click on the second one, which is on LinkedIn, you see this pop-up message and you click on this link, it will take you to LinkedIn. When you follow them, copy your profile link and paste here. You see this is your link to your link profile is this. So you are done with that one, then they will tick it. And the last one is to follow them on Facebook. So when you click on follow them on Facebook, you see this pop-up message, then click on this link. It will take you to Facebook, and when you are done, copy your profile link and paste it here. Then it will be marked good, which means you have completed all the necessary tasks. So what you need to do now is to click on your balance if you want to check your balance. So just click on this balance here to know how much you have received. So when you click on it now, you see this is what I have received. I have completed mandatory tasks and I have received 30 tokens. Now I have also completed optional tasks and I have received 10 tokens, which is 40 tokens. And for referral, when I refer now, I will also receive some tokens per each. I'm receiving 5 tokens for each referral. So I have not referred anyone now. So when I start to share my referral link, anyone that registered under me, I will receive 5 tokens from each referral. So if I want to see my referral link now, I'll just scroll up. Here is my referral link. So this is get an extra 5 Unix tokens by using your referral link to invite your friends. So if I want to refer friends now, I'll just copy this link now and share to my friends. So it's just simple, very simple task that you need to do. So the next thing we are going to do now is to submit our ERC20 wallet address to this chat bot. So if you want to do that now, just go straight to Trustwallet. Then just go straight to Trustwallet. Here is my Trustwallet now. I will open it. So when you come to Trustwallet now, just in this search bar, just search for ERC20. What you are going to copy is Ethereum ERC20 wallet address. So this is the one you're going to copy here. You're going to copy Ethereum ERC20 wallet address. Just click on it now. You see send, you see receive. So you click on receive. So click on this place to copy the address. So when you copy it now, go back to that place and then apply on this. Just paste your wallet address here to send. Now we are done. So since we have submitted our wallet address now, we are done. So all you need to do is to wait for the airdrop. Once they finish verifying all these things you put in here, once they finish verifying the details and check that it is correct, they will send you these 40 tokens and other tokens you will be receiving while you are referring your friends. They will send it to you on your Trust Wallet. So in the next video, I'll be showing you other platforms where you can claim free legit airdrops and the step-by-step guide on how you can claim this free legit airdrop. Guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so as each time I upload awesome videos like this, you will always be the first to be notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.